Hello and welcome back for my video about Core. In this video I will show and explain how we can use yield. It's a function and it's good if you need to remember something and going for the next step. Like if you have in a big loop, you can take one piece of the time. In Core you can use it to do something on the first middleware and then just wait until the last statement is triggered, and then it can jump back and continue. You can use it for something logging or something else you're thinking about, but I will show you how the function is working and what the plan is to do, and I will show how you can replace yield with await in Core 3.0. I'm working on Core 2.7 right now, but in the future it will be duplicated to use yield right away. So let's begin to build it. First we need a generator function. We can call it add number, and inside here we can call a number, and then we can just make a while loop true, and then we can say yield number, and then number plus equal to 2, and then we can say a const with numbers is equal to add number, and we're starting with the number 0, and then we have a console log with numbers and next. It's important you use the next, because if you don't do that, it don't know where it should handle it. So let's taking the node and call it to yield. I can see I have a spelling error here. I and E should be replaced, but it doesn't matter. You can see the value is 0, and if I do this in 5 times, save it and run it again, you have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If I just replace it with 2 here and run it again, you have 2 to 10. That's how it's working. You can do something after, because you call the function, this one, you call and run the loop, but it's stopped here. When you trigger the next, it will run the last function and go for the loop again and blocked here. So it's remembered, and that's the point with yield. Very smart. If we go for a node, for the Core application, we basically have this, and if we run the node, the application, we have the hello world, everything is fine. Now I want to say console log hello request, to be sure we can see what's going wrong. Up here I want to make a function, middleware, and it's the middleware generator. I just need the next inside, and it's up here. Inside I want a console line, hit first middleware, and then I want to say const start new date, and then I want to say yield next. So now will wait until it's done, and then I would say console log continue first middleware from date start, and then you can see if I run this node app, it's here. You can see it's removed in version 3, so don't worry. First we hit the middleware, and then the hello request, and then back again to continue from here, because then it's hitting the next and we continue inside here. Then I will show you how you can make it support for Core version 3 now. We still have this one. The only thing you need to do here is async, and ctx. And what we do here is just await and then next. Yeah, that should be that. No errors here. It's perfect, and I can run it again. First hello and continue, and now we don't get the error for us to duplicate it. That's how you can work with the yeild and the concept of why you're doing it. It's very nice to know that. So thank you for watching my video here. If you have any questions, please make them below in the comments field. I'll try to answer them, and I hope you want to subscribe my channel and like this video and add it for your playlist. Thank you for your time, and see you next time.